How exactly does our universe exist? There are a multiplicity of theories and laws that dictate our beliefs and understandings of reality. These understandings may be considered far-fetched by many and will likely cause skepticism amongst individuals. Though despite the discourse, we're all living with this enigmatic senselessness, as we have yet no clear answer. Except for a recent theory by Nick Bostrom that combines the scientific and philosophical aspects and the limits to our advancements as a sentient, conscious species. This is the simulation hypothesis. In order for you to grasp the concepts we will be discussing, you will first need to know about the Kardashev scale, which was devised by Nikolai Kardashev in 1964. This scale was used to measure the technological capacity and the amount of energy a civilization is able to harvest. There are three categories. Type 1, in which a civilization can utilize all forms of energy available to their planet. Type 2 civilizations, whom are able to harness the energy from their planet's orbiting star. And Type 3, in which the civilization controls all forms of energy available within its entire galaxy. We, however, will be looking at this theory through the Type 2 civilization perspective. With a tremendous leap in technology, a civilization could harness all the energy available from their star and use this to power a star-sized supercomputer, theorized by Nick Bostrom as the Matryoshka brain. This supercomputer is theorized to harness the sheer energy produced by a star and would be able to generate enough power to run trillions of operations. If you're considering this to be a bizarre theory, take a look at where video games are in our current technological development stages. Consider aspects such as realism, visual graphics, and interaction, all three of which increase user immersion and absorption. Now imagine virtual reality experiences with the ability to smell, hear, touch, and taste. You would be completely oblivious. If we can simulate these experiences of reality, how do we prove or disprove that we are in a simulated reality? It is not such an obscene idea, now that we know that there is no such known limit to our technological capabilities. In order for a simulated reality to exist, there would need to be a primary reality where the simulation is being run from. Whoever or whatever this rule governing celestial is, hypothetically, their goal would be to make us believe that we are seamlessly experiencing whatever this is, without seeing through the code. The world around us seems to be made up of strangely convenient laws, which makes it seem that they were put here by pure coincidence or by some highly intelligent force. And so, as our knowledge in physics grows, we begin to understand that the numbers that make up these laws are made up of groups of mathematical rules. These laws would exist only to allow the occupants of the simulated reality to learn that they are limited through the observation using their senses. Max Planck invented the Planck length, which is the accepted idea of the smallest measurement of scale we have to measure time, space, gravity, and reality. At this level, John Wheeler in 1995 theorized that the foundation of our universe is made up of points between these lengths, called a quantum foam. A study in quantum mechanics by the Weizmann Institute of Science in 1998 suggests that photons react to how we observe them. Through this, we could have a solipsistic viewpoint that the world around us does not exist until it is observed, and it will change once you come into contact with it. In 2016, during the Isaac Asimov Memorial Debate, which was based on simulation theory. Zuriya Davoudi, a nuclear physicist, theorized that would such a simulation exist, it would be so complex that there would need to be shortcuts to power it conveniently, hence preventing the inhabitants of a simulation from proving that they really exist. So whoever, or whatever, the creator is, must be outside of our space-time. This speculation could mean that we are designed to be incapable of ever comprehending the truth behind the source. Elon Musk says that if the simulation hypothesis was to be believed, there would be two possibilities. One, we are currently in a simulation. Or two, it is impossible to create a simulation this advanced. Even with the leading minds in human development, we are yet to find the source of our reality. And if we one day do, if we actually discover it, will we ever be the same? This is why the answers that we seek will only lead to more questions.